Gold is the new money. Gold prices are spiking. The gold standard, that is the unit of actual physical gold, is going to be backing the fiat currency. Now, the fiat currency is collapsing. The US dollar will start to lose its purchase power, even though it has lost 95% of it already, including the UK pound. This is your opportunity, and on the 8th, 10 o'clock p.m. UK time, I'm holding a webinar on how to buy gold, how to protect your assets, how to protect your shares, because believe it or not, what's happening is the pension funds are actually backing the stock market as well as the stock makers, albeit the market makers. And if the stock market is losing its value and your pensions are backing the stock market, what do you think is going to happen to the stock markets and the stocks and shares you have, as well as that most important of things, your pension plan for your old age? And I have produced a special report. You can have that by just emailing me. Now, that report is essentially hundreds of hours of research that I have done, and my team as well put on 2 pieces of A4. So you folks out there can benefit. If you want that, just email it to me. For those people that want to know more about the gold, want to know more about how's the stock market going to be affected, and also the mining companies that will mine the gold, because when they are mining the gold and there's a demand for gold, what's going to happen to the mining stocks? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to go up. But the mining stocks themselves, the miners, these are the people that own the mining companies, very few of them ever reach gold. So essentially, that's fool's gold. If you don't know what you're doing, you're going to lose out. This sort of investment is not for the light-hearted. Certainly, how to protect your pensions, how to protect your stocks and shares, as well as the new gold standard, which is gold itself, how to acquire it. You can see, ladies and gentlemen, once again, the gold price is going up week by week. They are going up faster than most of you make money per week. In the special report, it will talk about the mines. In the special report, it will talk about the gold. In the special report, it will talk about the shares as well. But for those people that want to survive this economic change, you guys out there, you folks out there, you ladies and gentlemen out there, you need to understand what the significance of the new money is. If you don't, you're going to end up with worthless pieces of paper, just as you did in 2008. Is that not correct? Once the gold is the new money, most precious metals will also become the new money. And you can tap into that as well, especially those industrial metals. Once you understand the value of industrial metals, because industry creates a greater demand than the consumer society itself, albeit the consumers are the end users. And ladies and gentlemen, you can be very precarious being in an end user position. It is better for you to own some of that precious metals. Would you not agree? If you do agree, I will see you on the 8th, which is a Sunday, 10 p.m. UK time for my webinar. I only have seats for 250 people, and my mentees and my students take first seat. Now, the judges will also be there. My panel of experts will be there. Alex will be there, and Lance will be there. Hugh will be there, and a few other people, which are the panel of authorities is the correct words, because they are authorities in the things that they do, and they will be sharing their knowledge with you as well. Yes, so far our successes has been that we can wipe out mortgages, because what does a mortgage mean? As I keep saying again and again, it's a debt pledge. What's a debt? It's a sin. Who wants to be in sin? Who wants to be in debt? Who wants to be in a debt pledge? We can wipe them out. So even if you want to inquire about that, help yourself. Here's my email. The economy is nothing more than a boom and bust. And this boom, ladies and gentlemen, is backed up by facts, because gold is a fact. the fiat currencies of the world, the US dollar, the pound, and all those things that are not backed by real sweat equity, but rather are promissory notes, well, that's going to be set on fire. And what's going to emerge out of those ashes is the golden phoenix. And that golden phoenix is the gold, ladies and gentlemen.